false pregnancy or pseudocyesis. Yung akala mo buntis ka dahil sa mga symptoms, but negative pregnancy test ka. Walang fetus. This is also called phantom pregnancy. This is very rare and it is believed that psychological and hormonal factors play a role. Ano yung mga symptoms? Kung ano yung symptoms mo ng pagbubuntis. For example, missed menses, breast tenderness, nausea, lumalaki tiyan mo, and some might even feel na may gumagalaw sa tiyan nila. Pero pag nagpa-test ka or nagpa-ultrasound, there's no evidence of pregnancy. So bakit may ganon? Usually, this happen to people who have a strong desire to be pregnant, or some can be due to depression, trauma, but sometimes it can also be due to other medical causes like tumors or cancer, which can mimic other pregnancy symptoms. So, if you are feeling any of these symptoms, make sure to consult your OBGYN.